Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can easily bulk upload here in OpenSea.io to sell your NFTs. So let's get started. First, what we want to do here is, of course, go to the website OpenSea.io. So with that, you will be directed into this platform, and then we want to log in by connecting our wallet here. Let's click on Connect Wallet. And here you have a lot of options, what kind of wallet you want to connect. But in our case, we want MetaMask because this is the one that is available to us. And it is really easy to create this wallet because it just took me 5 to 10 minutes to create one. So it's really easy and simple to do. So let's go and connect this wallet. Now let's click it. And there it's acting, and there you go, it's connected. We are now logged in, so which means we can now sell our NFTs here in OpenSea. So to sell, you just need to hover your mouse here so that you will see these options. And now we want to click on create. And after that, this MetaMask notification will pop up, and we just need to click here on sign at the bottom. Here, click sign so that we can proceed, and then we're here now. We can now create a new item listing to sell here on OpenSea. So now I'm going to share to you my hack in automating the process of filling this out, the details of what you want here. And just a heads up, if you want the same photo or the same NFT here to be uploaded, then it will be really simple. But if you don't want the same photos or NFTs, whatever you like here, image, video, audio, or 3D model, then this method will not work for that. You will have to manually select a photo and then automate the process to fill these details here down below. Okay, now that I have said that, let's go and grab a Google Sheet because that is what we will need in this process. I am opened one here. You just need to open your Google Sheet like this here. You just need to grab a tab here and put it here and do it like this. Now that we have this Google Sheet, we want to put here the names of our NFTs. Let's say our NFT name will be Alien Dog, let's say like that. Just an example name. And we want to put the number for our NFTs because this is basically for a collection. When you do this process, it's best for a collection. If you're uploading a collection and you want it to be done really fast, then this process is for you. Now, what we want to do now here is that we want to expand this and numerize the names here. There, you just need to drag this blue circle to do that. And here, now that it's automated, now we want what we want to do is here we want to open this app, automatic mouse and keyboard, and in here this will record the steps that we take, the actions that we take in our keyboard and mouse. It will record that and it will mimic that when we press here on play. So before we press record, I just want to tell you just a few heads up so that you won't mess up the process. Is that to make sure that you are here at the peak here. You don't want it here or here, but you want it at the peak. And this rectangular blue icon should be here. Just click it and there so that you can just press your backward key. Your down key to switch here on names, and that is the purpose. Now that everything is set, we can now press on record, and you just need to copy my process. So first, let's go press on record. Then what we need now is go here. We want to upload a photo, and this is when you want the same photo for every NFT you want. Then click on open. It's now recorded. And now to fill up the name, you just need to create here and then go downward keys, then Control-C and paste it here, there. And then the external link, you just type it, let's say, or paste it. If you want, then you can just include that in the Google Sheet so that it will be automated. Let's say it's alien.co, and then the description is whatever you want to just type the description, or you can also put it in the Google Sheet if you don't want to type it and you just want to paste it. We can type it on the Google Sheet. So let's say Miss Random, let's say this one. And they're here in the collection. If you want to add it in the collection, then you just proceed here and click here. Now the properties, let's say you want an alien and its name is male. There you can save and levels, achieve speed, and you want it 5 out of 5 there. And the stats is colored in, and let's value it with 5 out of 5 and save. Now, if you want to unlockable content, then you should enable it, but we will not. And explicit content, if you think your content is explicit, and the number of supply will just stick to 1, and the blockchain will be polygon so that we will have no gas fees. And then click on create. And then here, you want to stop the process here because you cannot automate it any longer because it is a captcha and you cannot just automate that because that is the purpose of that captcha. So let's go. Let's just name this automation of OpenSea, and I'll see, and I'll deck, and I'll let you observe, or I'll let you see what happens now. Let's say we want to create again. Let's go back here, and we'll play it. Let's just put this into a faster speed. Here you can speed it up here the process so that it will save you much more time. See it in the front of set, skip, then let's just click on frame, and now you can see the whole process be automated, and I'm not even listing a single finger right here, and the computer is solely doing its part in the way it was recorded by us. And as you can see, it is typing in the song and moving it its own. So this is a way for you to really automate your process, except for your photo and the capture that is below. Because previously was when there was no update yet, there was no captcha, you could really automate the whole process of this. But now the OpenSea has updated that it has a captcha, so we cannot go any further than that. And there you go. As you can see, there it's almost finished. There in Polygon, and click create, and just like that, and observe the mouse cursor. It just went to the place where it was before I finished recording. This was the tip that I want to give you, and you want to go here and prove that you are not a robot. So just a few things I have to say. If you want to automate also different kinds of images or whatever you upload here as an NFT, then you will have to be more creative. But the purpose of this video is to give you an idea on how to automate your process here. And if you want to follow the exact steps, you can do that as well. I hope this video helped you. That's all.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.